Hello and a very good day everyone. So today we will learn on how we can transform data into exciting dashboard. As you can refer over here, we do have a data where we have the date, the suppliers, the location, the type of inventories and also the purchases that we made. So as a purchase analyst or a purchase executive, I want to know what type of microchips that I purchase and from which region that I purchase the most. So what I can do is I can actually transform this into an exciting visualization in the Power BI desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import data from Excel. So I click this and I'm going to choose the file. So my file name is 2nd October and I'm going to press open. So I click this, you'll notice that a box will appear. So what I'm doing is I'm going to choose the case study 2nd October and I want to press load. So once I press load, automatically it will be loaded to the Power BI desktop. Automatically, as you notice, the data has been loaded to the Power BI desktop. So what I'm going to do next is I want to create a visualization. So I'm going to click the just say the column chart and I want to know the period. That means I click the date and I also click the purchases. Okay, so now we do have the data, we do have the date, and also we do have the graph on the purchases. So now we can see this is the purchases made in 3 years. Okay, so we have that, and then of course I can also just remove the month and remove the day. Okay, so now this is the data. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I just want to see the location. So what I'm going to do is I want to create a funnel. So I create this funnel. So there will be a funnel just to know what is the purchases made from which location. So I'm just going to click the country and I also want to click the MYR. So based on this given data, we noted that most purchases were made in India. So let me adjust this. So this one as well, adjust A, and yep. So now this on a surface level, so this is the purchases that we made based on the location, and this is the purchases that we made based on 3 years. So next I want to do what is I want to create a tree map. So let me click on the white screen and then let me click on the tree map. So now we do have a tree map, and then I just want to know the inventory name and also the purchases that we made. So now what if just say I want to create a data label. So I go to format your visual and then I click on data label. So automatically we can understand that microcontroller is the highest purchase and then microprogrammable microchip is the second highest purchase. So let me extend this. Okay, accordingly. So this is the data. So now the interesting part is if just say I were to click on microcontroller, so we can understand that the most purchases is made is from Malaysia and also most is being done in 2023. So if just say I unclick this again and now you just say I click on microchip. So when I click on microchip, we can see that the most purchases is made in India. And then if just say I click this and then I click on microcontroller chip, then we can understand that the most purchases is also still made in India. But what if just say I want to know by country? So if just say I click by Australia country, so I can understand that among in Australia, the largest purchase inventories is microcontroller chip.